Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. The exterior color is blue, and under the hood we have a 4-liter engine paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps. Over at the side, we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Kelly edge tires. We also have a pair of running boards as well as color-matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and this Toyota Tacoma also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel. We have a backup camera as well as a power locking tailgate, and inside the box we have a bed liner. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features including door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and entertainment controls located to the left. Over at the right, we have our hands-free controls. We also have our cruise control settings. Up above, we have our rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting, and as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful gray seating. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 138,037 kilometers on this beautiful Toyota Tacoma. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our LCD display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, and our driver can also view the display of the rearview camera. Down below, we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift, as well as dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. Our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Toyota Tacoma, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.